Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A32. On the front, you can see the image of the phone with its name, and at the back, specifications like display, camera and battery. So quickly we'll get inside the box. First, you can see this hidden lid with a SIM ejector tool at the back. Inside the lid, we have documentation like a quick start guide, regional log guide and warranty card which will give you end-to-end information about the phone. Here we have Samsung Galaxy A32. The phone has a notch display. At the back, we have a 64 megapixel quad camera setup. Also, you can see Samsung branding at the bottom. The phone looks super stylish in this color. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. And a 2-pin wall charger with 15 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Samsung Galaxy A32 box. Thank you so much for watching this video.